I thought I'd take you on a little tour of what's going to become my new sewing room. This is off the family room in our house. Let me just open this up. Let's go in. So my hubby has been very busy painting. I'm just going down one step. I've got like a step there. So this here is going to be my room. So that's the doorway I've just come through. I'll just come around this way. And these sliding glass doors here, they lead out to our outdoor patio area. You can probably see a bit of a blue shadow through there. That's our swimming pool. So I come around here and there's lovely big windows there and they look out onto our patio deck area where the pool is. And if I looked that way, can't show you, but there's a swimming pool in there. And then I've got beautiful outlook through these windows. Then I come around this way and we've got that wall there. That wall used to be red and it's had a undercoat. So everything's had an undercoat layer on it. And then I've got another window there and that leads out to, looks over the garden, my neighbour's garden, which they have a lovely little garden through there, so it's also a nice outlook. Then we come around this way and we've got a brick wall here and hubby's, well, that's covered up there now, but he's filled in that archway through there, which is quite high, like way above my head. So he's filled that in with like some timber plank look wood that's got a white base coat on it so far. And there's his paint trestle. Really, really high ceilings. And these were all the dark timber beams. So he's put an undercoat on all of those. So that probably gives you an idea of how high the ceiling is. That's the entrance there where I just walked through to come in. And it's got like one timber step there. So this is going to be my new sewing room. So hubby's got himself a spray paint gadget there. So he's spray painted everything here. So the first coat covered up those beams there. So everything will be lovely and white and bright. It's a lovely room. Nice and cool in summer. It's probably one of the coolest rooms in the house. So yes, I'll be bringing most of my machines, sewing machines and that in here. So it's going to be a lovely area to work in. So that's it there. Give you a little overview. Bye.